Whether you use them daily or come across them every now and then, social media platforms have become a familiar part of life for almost everyone. But which are the biggest social media platforms? Worldwide, there are over 200 social media platforms in total. It would be nearly impossible to cover each and every one of them in this video, so for today, we are going to be covering the top 10. We'll rank the platforms and show you what you can use them for. At number 10, just making it into our ranking, drumroll please, Snapchat. With approximately 670 million monthly users, super popular among teenagers, Snapchat has some really exciting features like stories and their interactive Snap Map. With unique augmented reality tools and exclusive content like Snap Originals, Snapchat stands out from other apps like Instagram and TikTok. With Snapchat, privacy is a priority as most of the snaps disappear after a short period of time. My personal fave is the snap streak, where you earn a fire emoji for Snapchatting someone for 3 consecutive days, and every additional day that you Snapchat them, more numbers are added. What's your longest snap streak? Just ahead in 9th place, we find Telegram with over 700 active monthly users. Founded by Pavel Durov in 2013, Telegram is super focused on privacy and security. With its fast encrypted messages and cool features such as large group chats, channels, and bots, the app is especially popular for its huge cloud storage and the ability to send messages and files of any size. Telegram also offers secret chats with end-to-end encryption where your messages will automatically disappear. However, due to its weak moderation, Telegram is often used for criminal or illegal activities. Overall, Telegram is a popular app with great potential, but users should be aware of the security and other risk factors. In 8th place, we find a social media platform that is only exclusive to China. With about 750 million monthly users, Douyin is the TikTok twin. Launched in 2016 by ByteDance in China, Douyin is the platform that puts creative short videos at the forefront, delighting millions of users each day. With cool effects, AR filters, and a huge music library, users can create and share exciting videos. Douyin is especially popular for its powerful algorithm that brings tailored content directly to the For You feed. Unlike its international twin, Douyin is only exclusive to China. The app focuses on fast monetization through e-commerce and brand collaborations. This social media platform is not super relevant to anyone outside of China, but the number of monthly users is impressive, especially since it's only available in China. We are nearing the billion mark with 950 million active users. At number 7 is Messenger, which was originally launched by Facebook in 2011. Messenger enables fast and easy communication between friends and family with features like text messages, voice and video calls, and group chats. Messenger is one of the most popular communication platforms worldwide. The integration with Facebook is beneficial, as is the ability to send pictures, videos, and even money. Facebook Messenger is practical and versatile, but there are concerns about privacy and its resource-heavy nature. For 6th place, I've got a fun fact, and maybe you can guess the platform. To watch all of the videos uploaded in just one day, it would take you 95 years without a break. You guessed it right, with 1.1 active monthly users, TikTok has taken 6th place. Founded by ByteDance in 2016, TikTok has become the leading platform for short videos and captivating millions of people daily. With trending challenges, music, and cool effects, users can create and share viral videos in no time. The powerful algorithm ensures everyone gets the perfect For You feed based on their interests and interactions. TikTok is especially popular among the younger generation and offers additional features like live streams and in-app shopping. The app relies on ads and brand collaborations to promote monetization and set new trends. Personally, I'm a big fan, and it's really easy to get stuck on TikTok because it's highly addictive. Enjoy the positives of TikTok, but try not to get stuck doom scrolling. Time for the top 5 social media platforms. This is getting exciting. In 5th place, we have an app called WeChat with over 1.3 billion monthly active users. Launched in 2011 by Tencent in China, WeChat is much more than just a messaging app. It's an all-in-one super app. In addition to chat, voice, and video calls, WeChat offers features like Moments, which are similar to stories, in-app shopping, payment services, and even games. WeChat Pay is particularly well known, allowing users to seamlessly send money or pay for everyday items. The app is indispensable in China, combining social media, communication, and e-commerce. However, WeChat has been criticized internationally for censorship and its privacy concerns due to strict state surveillance in China. Just missing the podium is one of my favorite platforms. With 2.3 billion active monthly users, Instagram speaks for itself. Launched in 2011 and then acquired in 2012 by Facebook, Instagram is the leading platform for sharing videos and photos. With features like stories and reels, users can share creative content with their followers and visually capture their daily lives. The app is especially popular for its filters and editing tools, which give everyday posts a professional look. The platform also offers e-commerce functions, allowing brands to sell their products directly. Now it's getting exciting. This is what you've all been waiting for, the top 3. Feel free to comment if you expected these results or if you were shocked by any of the others in the rankings. The bronze medal goes to WhatsApp with 2.6 billion monthly active users. Founded in 2009 and acquired in 2014 by Facebook, WhatsApp is one of the world's largest messaging platforms. The app offers simple and secure communication through text messages, voice and video calls, and group chats. Thanks to end-to-end encryption, all conversations are particularly private and secure, with features like status updates that disappear after 24 hours and WhatsApp Web for typing messages on the computer. The app remains an essential platform for both personal and business communication. Even with its overall popularity, the app has raised concerns in the past due to privacy and data sharing with Meta. However, WhatsApp is the most well-known messenger, and many people, especially those who live outside the US, couldn't live without it. You might be wondering, what about YouTube? The answer is silver for YouTube with 2.7 billion active monthly users. Founded in 2005 and then acquired by Google in 2006, YouTube is one of the world's leading platforms for video streaming. YouTube offers a wide variety of content, including music videos, tutorials, vlogs, news, and live streams. The platform has become essential for content creators and viewers. YouTube also supports features like subscriptions, personalized recommendations, and playlists. With YouTube Premium, the platform offers an ad-free version as well as exclusive content. YouTube has evolved to be such a crucial platform for content expression, education, and entertainment, and it remains a key site for sharing content worldwide. The excitement builds as we reach our #1 spot on our social media platform rankings, and the winner is Facebook with an incredible 3 billion monthly active users. Founded in 2004 by Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook is one of the biggest social media platforms in the world. The platform allows users to create profiles, add friends, and to share content like status updates, photos, videos, and links. Facebook has established itself as a central hub for social interaction, information sharing, and networking. With features like Facebook groups, pages, and events, the platform offers diverse ways to organize and communicate with various types of communities. Additionally, businesses and brands are heavily integrated into the ecosystem through ads and marketplace options. Facebook continues to innovate with a focus on video content, stories that disappear after 24 hours, and integrations with other apps like Instagram and WhatsApp. But even though Facebook takes the gold, it shouldn't rest on its success because it has been seeing a decline in users in the Western countries. So there we have it, the ranking of the top 10 social media platforms. Did you expect those results? Were you shocked by all of the messaging apps? I definitely was. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We hope you enjoyed this video, and let's see if the results change the next time around. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to know how to manage all of your social media profiles from one place, definitely check out Metricool. You can sign up for free and I will leave a link in the description. See you next time, Metricooler.